Today I am showing you how to make delicious and easy preserved lemons. All you need is a very short list of ingredients, which are start by sterilizing your jar. Cut through above 3/4 of the way down and the lemons stay joined at the base. Squeeze the juice from the lemons into a jar. Then pack a teaspoon of sea salt inside each cut. Layering all lemons in the jar and add rest of the salt. Now add the bay leaves, peppercorns, cinnamon and saffron. Ingredients in the jar, put the lid and seal tightly. Leave for a month in a cool and dark place. Giving the jar a gently shake every few days to move the salt around. Enjoy!